Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to set up GoDaddy Reseller account. So let's get started. First go to GoDaddy's Reseller program page and here sign up for either the Basic or Pro plan. Then after joining you will be guided through the Reseller Setup Wizard which walks you through creating your storefront. You can use the wizard to personalize your store by adding your business name, contact information, support email, and logo. You can also pick a theme and adjust your brand colors. This dashboard lets you manage pricing, product availability, promotions, and more. For a professional touch, connect a custom domain to your storefront. For this, go to the custom domain section in your settings and follow the steps to update your DNS records. Then step number 6, visit the pricing section. You can follow GoDaddy's recommended prices or create your own for domains, hosting, and other service. Remember, you can also set up promo codes to attract customers. Once everything is configured, your GoDaddy reseller account is fully ready to run. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.